In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment slots using Google Calendar, an incredibly handy tool for managing your schedule and collaborating with others. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with trying to keep track of various meetings, finding a reliable way to streamline this process can be a game changer. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues, setting up meetings with clients, or simply arranging time slots where others can book your attention, Google Calendar's appointment slots feature can really simplify these tasks. To start, open your Google Calendar in a web browser. If you're not already signed in, make sure to enter your credentials and log into your Google account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your calendar interface displaying current and upcoming events. On the left-hand side, click on the Create button. This opens up a new event dialog. Here, you want to select the Appointment Slots option. It might be beneath a drop-down menu, so keep an eye out for it. This specific choice is crucial because it enables the feature we want to explore today. Now, decide on the event block where these appointment slots should occur. Pick the time and date on your calendar to allocate the period you would like to dedicate. This can be a single block of time or spread out over several days depending on your availability and needs. Next, define the duration of each appointment slot. This means specifying how long each individual meeting will last. For example, you might choose 30 minutes, an hour, or any length that suits your schedule. Doing this helps others know exactly how much time they have and allows for efficient time management. Once you have your time slots defined, you need to customize your appointment slot details. Add an appropriate title, fill in the location if you're meeting in person, and include any additional details or instructions in the description area. This context can be very helpful for the people booking these slots, guiding them on what to prepare or expect. After setting up the details, make your appointment slots public by sharing the link. You'll find this option on the events page. You can send this link directly to anyone who might benefit from scheduling time with you. Sharing via email or adding it to your calendar invitations are common ways to ensure it reaches the right people. To confirm that everything is in order, click Save. This will officially add the slots to your calendar and make it live for others to book appointments with you. And that's it. You've successfully set up appointment slots in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards better managing your schedule and facilitating smoother interactions with others. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need to adjust your availability or create new slots. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your scheduling.